Here's an interesting use of Excel's conditional formatting in Excel 2007 and 2010. Suppose you have a worksheet which contains a list of records, such as these quarterly sales records based upon the AdventureWorks database. And suppose you want to look at sales by size of bike, regardless of the subcategory or the style. You could add an extra column for size and simply break out the right two characters of the product and populate the size column with those two characters. But a quick way to achieve this objective is to apply conditional formatting to the product column. Click on Conditional Formatting, highlight Cells Rules, Text that contains, and let's choose the size 44. By default it's doing light red fill with dark red text. We can choose a variety of colors and make up our own if we want. Now if we apply an auto filter, that lets us filter by color. So there's all our size 44 bikes in one place. Here's another example of choosing all the bikes that are colored black. Accountants or auditors might import large lists of transactions into Excel and then use this conditional formatting to highlight transactions that have certain words or phrases within the descriptions that they want to examine more closely. If you don't want to keep the conditional formatting, then just click on Clear Rules, either from the entire sheet or Rules from selected cells.